Today's app review, we're taking a look at Blaster Tank for the iPhone and iPod Touch. Blaster Tank gives you lots of action, that's for sure. Essentially, you will be piloting a small tank at the bottom of the screen, and there will be tons and tons of enemies in the air. And you will need to avoid those enemies as best you can, avoid damage while shooting as many of the enemies as you can, I should say. So this is the basic layout of the game. On the bottom left, you have your directional left and right to move your tank back and forth, and then on the right hand side of the screen, this is where you pick your trajectory and also where you need to touch to shoot. Now my technique is just to hold that button down and keep letting those shells fly at the enemy planes. However, that can affect your letter grade that you get because accuracy is part of that letter grade. Now, at the end of each round, what will happen is you will receive money, and once you have enough money, you can buy extra armor. It's a little hard to see because some of the bullets are so small, but frankly, in these first few rounds, as long as you keep moving, you should be able to avoid most of the firepower from the enemies. The armor doesn't get too terribly important until a little bit later. Now, if you do get impatient, I suppose, and want to buy the armor or other items for your tank early, you can actually go ahead and buy extra cash, and 250,000 of the in-game dollars are 99 cents through the App Store. Well, through the app, I should say. It's an in-app purchase. Now, the only thing about this game that was a little bothersome was on two occasions I had the controls lock up. One time the trajectory locked and I couldn't change the trajectory, and another time I could no longer move the tank left and right. So other than that bug, which is a substantial bug but only happened a few times, I would call it a rare occurrence and something they can easily fix in an update. But other than that, it's a lot of action and a lot of shooting. That's a look at Blaster Tank for the iPhone and iPod Touch. For thedigital lifestyle.tv, I'm Ryan Ritchie.